just made our way to Akaroa after a couple of days celebrating a wedding with friends of ours, hence the sunglasses and the rather ropey looking attire. Akaroa is absolutely gorgeous. It's originally settled by the French, and you get some nice quaint little bits of France around the place.
Touch of France.
Here's the bay.
Very tidal.
It
So
is.
the tide's coming in at the moment. Still beautiful though, regardless of if the tide's in or not. Lots of cruise ships also pull up into here as well. I think the one's due tomorrow. So it kind of pays to time that you're not here when the cruise ships are in, because it's like about 500 or probably even more people bombard this beautiful little quiet town. So it does pay to check when they're in and try and avoid that if you can. I think it would be a much different feel if it was heaving with people, but it's very relaxed and beautiful. Feels like dawdle along, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice dawdle pace.
Yeah, it's definitely a lovely town. We've sampled the fish and chips, and that was exquisite. Nice bit of blue cod. A lot of New Zealand is reminding me of England, which is lovely. And we're hoping to see a few more sites. We've got to make our way to Lake Tekapo.
Inland near Mount Cook.
Yeah, so not far from Mount Cook, so there should be some really lovely photos we can take there, as well as some walks. So we're going to enjoy the rest of Akaroa, and we'll catch you soon. Cheers.
Bye.